This is giving rich vibes only on a budget though. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you guys with a wig review, and this is featuring a synthetic baddie. Okay, she is from the Outre Melted Hairline, and this is her name. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it because if I do, I'm gonna mess it up. I already know. But if I mispronounce this and I watch somebody else's video and they pronounce it correctly, I'm gonna be so salty. We're gonna say her name is Seraphine. We're gonna say her name is Seraphine. Okay, that's what we're gonna say her name is. I could be mispronouncing it, but this is the card that the hair came with. Like I said, this is from the Outre brand. So the color that I am rocking today is DRF4, number 4. I guess like 4 is the roots, / hazelnut honey. Now guys, the color I originally wanted was just a 1B. Okay, this number 4 to me like a T27, and I don't mess with T27s, but I said, well, you know what, the hair is so bomb. I seen another YouTuber and she was wearing the same hair and the same color, and I was like, that color looked good on her, so I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna try it, and I am so happy that I did, like seriously. So just give you guys some specs on this hair, on this wig. This is a wig, this is a synthetic wig. I think she cost me like 39 bucks. Honestly, I think she cost me like 39 bucks. This is an HD transparent lace wig, and it says it is heat resistant, fiber, safe to up to 400 degrees. And I can definitely say it's safe up to 400 degrees because I did put my hot comb on the top of this wig to lay it down. Now this also is a 13x6 frontal wig. Do not look at my hairline and judge. Okay, we just tried to do something real quick to make this video. But yeah, she is gorgeous. Like, this is how the model is rocking it on the pack. I mean, on the card. The model, she's killing it too. Like, I'm not going for like she killing it too or whatever. But if they gave me a 13x6 frontal, sweetie, I am going to lay her down. So basically, what's going on with this wig is, yes, it is okay. Let's backtrack. Okay, no one said it was a 13x6 frontal, but they did say it's a frontal. It's actually a T-shaped wig, and so what that means basically is you get the full, you know, hairline, but you only have a middle part, and this middle part goes for about 6 inches. It looks shorter than 6 inches because I have a big forehead, but trust me, it's about 6 inches deep. And with that being said, it's only one way you can wear this wig. Now obviously, you know, if you want to wear her as a side part, you can, but just know this is your only parting space, sweetie. This is your only parting space, so keep that in mind when you do pull her out the pack. Okay, she is wiggy. I'm just saying that off bat. I used to rock synthetic wigs back in the day. Back in the day was like 5 years ago. I used to wear synthetic wigs, so I already know some of the tips and tricks to follow. So when I first got her at the pack, like no lie, I threw some baby powder on her because sis was a little too shiny for me. And she still may be kind of shiny too, to you guys. I do have like a low light, my ring light, so it's not as shiny. She's not that shiny, honestly, when you're in a regular room with lighting. I don't think she's gonna be that shiny outside either, but sis is, when she went at the pack, she's a little shiny. The wig did come with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the back, the traditional adjustable strap, and then it came with a you know what I'm talking about. It came with an elastic band already sewed into it, which is a big step up, honestly. When you can just throw an elastic band on your wig, just flick it on and off, that's required. Like, that's an essential now for any wig, honestly. Whether they come in them or you sew your own elastic band on. So I know I'll be sewing my own elastic bands on my wigs. So yes, that's what the sis look like. So I said she's T-shaped. She has just 2 combs right here, 1 comb in the back, the elastic band in the back, and she has adjustable straps. I would say she is very snug. Like, I didn't adjust my vans. And usually when you get a wig and like the last strand, she is snug. Like this wig is super snug on my head with the elastic band adding extra security. You really don't have to glue this wig down or, you know, gel this wig down to keep it mounted to your head. You can just rock sis right at the back and she will hang on for dear life. So with this one being the color I got, it's a number 4 root, and it has hazelnut, and you actually can see, like, y'all can't even see it, I'm not picking it up. Sis has right here, wherever you see her at, she has some highlights. So she cute for a little, you know, $30, $40, $50. She is banging. The hair, the wig actually did come pre-plucked. So these synthetic wig lines are stepping their games up. Like, they stepping it up. Honestly, she was so plucked to the point where I thought she was giving me overplucked vibes. But honestly, when you go and like lay down the baby hairs and whatnot, it's not bad. It's actually really nice and natural. They actually did a really good job with the pre-pluck. You didn't have to really go in and pluck it, but I did go in and pluck just a little bit extra when I created my baby hairs. The wig do come with baby hairs, but not enough for you to do anything. Like, they come sparse how baby hairs should be, but it was not like in the right areas. Like, I feel like they should have put the whole hairline baby hairs, but honestly, if you do that, then some people don't know what to do with that. So I think they did a good job with, you know, giving you something to work with, but you really need to go in and, you know, put your touch on it to lay it down. If you want to do baby hairs, no baby hairs, to lay it down. Honestly, if you do the no baby hair look with this wig, it would still look so natural, and the reason why is because they plucked the crap out of this wig. Now, in regards to plucking, I plucked a little on the hairline, but nothing too crazy. But sis tangles, so I cannot even, like, you really can't even say it's from plucking the hairline. Sis tangles right out the box. Okay, I did nothing to this wig. I was gonna say I plucked, you know, the hairline a little and laid my baby hairs down, but I didn't do anything else. I did not pluck the part. The part came really plucked. The part came perfect, but I did go and pluck the hairline. Usually when you get any kind of wig, whether synthetic or human hair, and you get the hair colored, you're gonna have a little tangling. And with this being synthetic hair, then obviously you're gonna have a lot of tangling too. But I've had long curly units that was synthetic hair, even from Outre, that did not tangle straight out the box. So I think it's a combination of the color, it's a combination of the length, it's a combination that is synthetic, it's also a combination that I plucked it, which is why my hair is probably tangling. Now, do I recommend you wear sis to the mall? Absolutely not. Sis will embarrass you. But do I recommend you take her, you know, to the grocery store? Maybe. I don't know. She's really good just for taking pictures and looking pretty. If you are going to take her out and wear her out anywhere, I 110% recommend you wear her all to the front, because this hair gets really super, like, it's super layered and super curly. It doesn't look that curly because I have to really brush it out to get a lot of the knots out. But once you like have it all to the back of your head and you let the curls just do what it do, you know, it gets really curly, but it can also get really tangled. Now, where I'm finding I'm having the most tangling at is towards the ends. Now, when I first got the hair, I'm not gonna lie, I had a little knot in her, and I used my eyebrow cutter to just razor it out, not to actually cut it out. I think that's where it all started, honestly. It could be a me thing. It could be a me thing. But I'm just saying. So like I said, going back to the luster of the hair, she do come looking wiggy, I'm not gonna lie. You can throw some baby powder on. Also, the fact that I put baby powder in my hair could also be another reason why sis is kind of tangling too. I'm putting, you know, product, it's not even a hair product, but baby powder in the hair. That can really factor into it, can be entangled too, because I've had other synthetic wigs in the past where, yes, the baby powder will get rid of all the extra shine, but it's not good for the hair, because when it's coming to, you know, detangling, you know, the baby powder messing with these synthetic fibers from some of the certain brands just does not mix. Like, it just doesn't. But sis is worth it. Now, I'm not getting tangled like in the nape area, believe it or not. I'm getting tangled at the end. So I probably go in and cut sis. Like, sis is already looking like what didn't happen. And this is my first time ever putting it on my head. So yeah, I don't know. Is she worth the money? 110%. Like, she is bomb. Like, the color is bomb, the style is bomb, the length is good. I'm not one for the long synthetic wigs because I know what kind of problems it can bring, and usually synthetic long wigs come with problems 99.9% of the time, especially if they're like curly or like deep wave. Is she giving me real problems? Like, no. Honestly, when my synthetic wigs get really tangled, I either put, you know, a low heat, very low heat flat irons on it, run it through, and then if it was curly once upon a time, I just put flexi rod in and curl it and go about my day. Or I just go in and cut it off because that's what you're supposed to do when it don't look that good. You're supposed to cut it off and keep it moving. To shedding, she's shedding. Straight out the box, she is shedding. And she is shedding. I wouldn't say bad, but over the course of like a week, she would probably be shedding bad because she's so tangled at the ends. But that's just what's come with the territory, especially when you're getting like colored units, like I said, human hair or synthetic hair. That's what comes with the territory. Will I purchase another one in this color? I absolutely will. That ain't stopping me. But she is definitely worth the money. Whether she's $50 or $40, she's worth the money. And honestly, it's like, what else you gonna buy? You either gonna buy a pair of Vans or you gonna buy a cute wig to take pictures in. You gonna buy the wigs, sis. Don't lie to us. So as you guys can see, even though she looks pretty versatile, like I'm running her sideways like this, she looks pretty versatile, but she's not. Like, that's your only part of space, because when you start to flip her like here, you know what I'm saying, you get the baby hairs or whatever, but then you can kind of like see where the tracks start. So that's just something to keep in mind. You can flip her to the side for a second, you feel me, for that picture, but you need to put it back in the middle part when you done, okay? You want to give away all your secrets. So guys, I did order this hair from samsbeauty.com, and I would say, like, with shipping and everything, I got it within like 3 to 4 days. I really want to say 3 days. And yeah, I know mail is really slow now. Like, I feel like the post office has picked back up, but it's still kind of slow. And I got this like express, where this is, you get her, she comes a bomb color, she comes quick to you, she comes pre-plucked, okay? 13 by, I'm not gonna say 13 by 6, she come frontal, you feel me? Your hairline come bomb. She come long if you want to take them long cute pictures. Only thing is she tangles and she come a little luster, but I told you you guys can fix it. You just literally just take some baby powder, put it on. And honestly, if you're scared of using baby powder on your hair, I'm not gonna say this is not for you, but she comes, like, I'm like warning you, being very truthful, she comes very, very shiny. So you need to put a lot of baby powder on to get her looking right. Not saying you can't wear it straight out the box, you definitely can. Like, who gonna check you? Nobody. But just for my preference, I just do some baby powder on. Okay, this hairstyle is bomb. These layers are bomb. Like, she is bomb.com. Go pick you up one, and especially go get it from Sam's Beauty, because this color, all I know is they got this color in stock. That's all I'm gonna say. They got this color in stock, and this color is bomb. If you want to play with color, you know, want to see what different wigs look like on you, don't go spend $400, $500 on some hair like this to see how the color look. Stick with a synthetic wig. Find the style that you want, that you're going for. If you're going for like a layered style, buy a synthetic wig that's layered style and the color you are going for, that you will try to pay a professional to dye for you. Try that yourself and see if that color works out for you, because like I said, guys, honestly, if they had that 1B in stock, I would not be wearing her, but I am so glad I am wearing her. Well guys, yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you for sitting here and listening to me rant. Hope you guys really subscribe to my channel to see more of me, and especially just more hair views and lifestyle videos, makeup videos in general. I literally just threw this look together to film with this wig, and even the look is bomb. So yeah, okay, thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.